Topic at the moment, I think the importance of data collection, and actually there is such an abundance of data points out there. It's actually trying to make sense of it in a way that is kind of accessible but also meaningful to the various stakeholders that need to hear it, basically. And I think that it can be a complex subject to address, but once you start, there's so much learning to be done. It actually gets easier. And I guess my keynote is about encouraging, in fact, no, not encouraging, demanding that people start now. The time for discussion is over. We need to start taking action. So it's about kind of explaining and sharing insight as to how we're going about that, how we started, and almost like, like the Instagram, like how it started versus how it's going.